channel. This is a quick unboxing and initial impression of Seagate FireCuda gaming SSD. So they have mentioned this is a gaming SSD, and if you see here they have mentioned NVMe SSD. That means it should be faster compared to all other SSDs. Here they have mentioned USB 3.2 Gen 2x2. Actually, I don't have any laptop or computer which support USB 3.2 Gen 2x2, but I have the USB 3.2 Gen 2. So they have mentioned here the transfer speed is like 2000 Mbps, but I couldn't get that much speed, but I can get around 1000 Mbps. If you see here, you will be seeing this maximum read and write speed is 2000 Mbps, but it is actually giving me around 1000 Mbps because of that USB port which I have in my laptop. So let me unbox it. Also, one more thing, they have said this is customized LED colors. The thing is, you can install Seagate tool, so that from that you can customize the color. Again, one more catch in that, if you install that in Windows system, then you can customize the LED colors and the pattern, how it should glow like that. But if you are installing the same tool on Mac OS, it won't have an option for that. So this is the SSD. This looks little heavy. The weight is around 100 grams. So this is the cable which came from the box. This has only the type C to type C. So because of this, this is a gaming CD, they have given only type C. If they would have given the at least converter, then it would be happy for normal USB types. So this is just a user manual, so how to connect and how to use and all. So here they have mentioned with this URL you can download the toolkit. So from that toolkit you can customize the LED colors. So this all, like, they have given some basic instruction or multiple languages. That's it. So I personally tested with Mac OS. So it is giving around 950 Mbps of transferring read and write speed. So overall, I feel this is a good product. Let me open this. So here, this is like some rubberish matte finish. I feel this is really good. This is like metallic body, so that's why it is little heavy. So here there is a branding. Yeah, here there is a type C port plus read and write indication LED. So here is the place where it will glow the light, like it is mentioned in the box here, like this. You can customize the colors, so it's RGB LED, so that you can customize everything. So I'll try to upload the speed at read and write speed with some software, so that it will be clear for you people. And I'll try to show this color LED customizing colors. So this is a 500 GB SSD. So initially it is come in the format of NTFS, which supports only in Windows. So I formatted this into exFAT, so that I can use it in both Mac and Windows. In Windows, if I access that same SSD, it is showing 500 GB, but the same thing if I access via Windows machine, then it's showing around 466 something storage. So that's it. I will attach the read and write speed in the end of this video. So that's all about this quick unboxing and first impression.